So, ladies and gentlemen, farmers, welcome back to another episode of Mokwala Ag. So, in this video, I want to discuss something about the bedding and how to keep your bedding last for long. One thing that you need to do, or one of the things that you need to do, it's to allow the flow of air in your chicken house. So that the bedding can dry, because around this time when your chicken are growing, your bedding start to get wet fast. So to dry the bedding off, you just have to open your side and allow the flow of air to dry off the bedding. And another tip that I want to show you, it's when you return the bedding. So today I want to show you how I turn my bedding and how I keep them last for long. So yeah, man, let's get to work. Yes. So this is how the bedding is now. As you can see around the feeders, but I'm not sure if you can properly see it. But when you check here around the feeders, it's not that wet. But when you take the camera there where there are drinkers, it's wet. So they tend to get wet where there is a drinker, not where there is a feeder. I see some, it's still in the morning anyway, so some of my drinkers are out of water. So, but we're gonna take everything out. We're gonna take our drinkers out, our feeders out, then turn the bed. I'll be showing you how you turn the bed. So let's check if we don't have any mortality. Any mortality, guys? Any mortality? Report chicks. Any of you who have passed away, so we can have a decent burial. No, remember, we are still good. By the way, we are sitting at a mortality rate of 4 now. We lost 4 beds out of 200 that I have here. We only lost 4 so far, and today is day 14. So anyway, on the day 14, you also change your. You'll be switching from starter to finisher. So now that we have taken our drinkers out and our feeders out, so we'll be turning the sawdust. Stay tuned when I show you how you turn the sawdust. Now guys, because we are done tending the bedding, one another thing that I wanna us to discuss, or what I wanna tell you, is that when you turn after turning the bed, make sure you switch where there was a feeder, you put a drinker, and where there was a drinker, you put a feeder, because the area of where the drinker stays, it tends to get wet fast. So you just need to rotate the drinkers and the feeders, so that the place doesn't get wet at one place. But what some people do is that when it is wet around the drinkers, they remove the sawdust around the drinkers and put new sawdust. So you can also do that, farmers. Thanks. So this is how day 14 looks like at the end. Yo, it's a tricky day, guys. You're changing your feed from starter to grower. You're also changing your drinkers. You're putting in the big drinkers because now they're drinking a lot of water. You have also vaccinated your chickens for Lasota, using the Lasota vaccine. So it's a busy day 14 actually. So yeah. But anyway, at the end of the day, you are done now. The chickens are happy, they're drinking, they're eating. What you need to do is to relax as a farmer, man. And keep praying that they don't die. And keep praying that people come and buy. So thanks for watching my videos, guys. I really appreciate the support that you're giving me. Keep subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Tango!